Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to use the Binance app on your phone. So the first step, if you don't have a if you don't have a download the Binance application, you go to the Play Store and now you need to search Binance. So in this part you need to pick here, and if you don't have the application installed, you in this button where said open, here said install, you need to pick here in install, and after that you need to go to the Binance application. You pick here in the Binance application, and well, this is the page is easy to use. They have uh, a lot of options like your wallet, your futures, your trades for the trading, and the markets. For you can see the markets of the currencies. But that's it. If you want like change the mode, you can go to the here in your user, and you pick here in the down part of the app where set Binance Lite. You can change to the Binance Lite because it's a more simple version of the app, or you can change to the Binance Pro. This is a more complete version of the app. So this is the process. This is this is the way you can use and install your Binance application. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.